Module 4, Lesson 6, Send and Read Live Stats. 4 minutes. You have a draft. You're standing on the campaign detail page. The big button at the top right says Send. Clicking this button is the moment everything in modules 1 through 3 pays off. Let's do it. Click Send. A confirmation dialog opens. The dialog summarizes what's about to happen. The campaign name, the audience size at this exact moment, the schedule, the first send moment if it's a recurring campaign. A confirmation dialog exists because send is hard to undo. Once subscribers receive the email, you can't unsend. Read the summary, confirm, the dialog closes. The campaign moves from draft to sending. Behind the scenes, simple marketing splits the audience into batches and ships each batch through your sending provider. For the default product configuration, that's SendGrid. For workspaces with custom configurations, it might be Microsoft Graph or your own SMTP. Each batch sends in seconds. A campaign to 10,000 subscribers typically finishes the actual transmission in under 60 seconds. Subscriber inboxes start receiving immediately. The detail page updates in real time. You don't need to refresh. As subscribers receive, open and click, the numbers tick up live. 3 numbers on the stats panel. Open rate, subscribers who opened the email divided by subscribers who received. Industry average for B2B is around 20%. Engaged audiences see 30 to 50%. Click rate, subscribers who clicked a link divided by subscribers who received. Industry average is 2 to 3%. Top campaigns see 5 to 10. Unsubscribe rate, subscribers who use the unsubscribe link divided by subscribers who received. Healthy is under 0.2%. Above 1% means the audience didn't expect this campaign. Each number is a sparkle line showing the rate's evolution over the first hour. Most engagement happens in the first 10 minutes. Below the stats, the recipients table. 1 row per subscriber the campaign was sent to. Filter the table. Show only opened. Show only clicked. Show only bounced. Click any row to see that subscriber's interaction history with this specific campaign. Did they open? When did they click? Which link did they click? This is gold for sales follow-up. The subscribers who clicked are interested. The subscribers who clicked twice are very interested. Push those rows to your CRM and let sales follow up while attention is fresh. The campaign is sent. The stats are flowing. 2 patterns. If you're running a recurring campaign, plan for next week. The wizard remembers your settings. Duplicate this campaign for next week's send. Adjust the content. Schedule. If you're running a one-off, watch the stats for the next 24 hours, then move on. The detail page archives the campaign with all its metrics preserved forever. Next lesson, reusing a sent campaign as a template.